Evonik is a specialty chemical company. We are producing specific chemicals that in small amount have a big impact, and we consider ourselves to think beyond chemistry and are considering ourselves to be a quite innovative company, bringing new products for market trends like sustainability, for example, resource efficient products. This is something that is very important for us, our company, our strategy, and the products we bring to the market. For the foams, for example, the sectors of applications is aviation application, aerospace application, but also commercial aircraft, military aircraft application. Second part is the automotive industry, where composite parts are used, and sandwich applications for specific parts are important that we serve. And then there's a bunch of other applications that we have in the electronic industry, for example, like you see there, in the antennas, radomes, satellites, where it's important that electromagnetic radiation is not absorbed. You can use this kind of foam, which customers perceive as solid air because you don't see it, right? It's not absorbing anything. During the last years, we developed a lot of different versions of that very reliable PMI foam, polymethacrylic imide foam, and we're happy that also celebrating 50 years, we can also introduce new products to the market based on a different chemistry that really contribute to market trends like sustainability significantly. This is one of the products that we launch here, and you can. It's a particle foam that we have. The advantage of a particle foam clearly is that you form it inside a mold, so you can give it the final shape already. It's like baking a cake, right? Presumably. And the specifics here is that our customers have the complete freedom of design. So they can design complex structures. They can even add inserts already into the mold. So you just have a one-step process where you form already the inserts in the mold. There is no gluing there's no drilling holes later on. So a lot of difficult steps basically you can avoid. And the good thing about this is that it also fulfills the smoke toxicity requirements and fire-resistant requirements that you need, for example, for aircraft interior applications. So and the third good thing about it is that it is a sustainable product. It's a thermoplastic product that you can also use with the same thermoplastic skin layers, and so it's in this case fully recyclable. And that certainly is a trend, and also we see our customers demanding those kind of products, which is for us, as Evonik, as an innovative specialty chemical company, certainly something that we do our best to fulfill. We also have a second product that we are launching right now, that we're commercializing. It's called RoAcryl. It's an acrylic foam. From performance-wise, it is slightly better than other competitive products in that performance range. Main target application is the wind application. And here we can also have a similar advantage like in the raw form. If you use with that acrylic foam an acrylic-based resin, you can also recycle it. Yeah? You can basically bring it back. We call it chemical recycling. You can bring it back to the raw materials you made the resin and the foam from, which is also, in this case, a big advantage if you don't need to landfill, shred, or whatever the rotor blades of the energy of the future. That's incredibly good. And I think you can see it with anyone you meet, every customer. Every meeting starts with a huge smile on the faces because everyone so thoroughly enjoys after really 2 years of no show to be back here to meet people. And I think even today on a Thursday, we have more people than we had before, even though a lot of people from China are not here, which are usually a big part of the show too. Everyone will probably say this is a great success and just so good to meet each other, to meet customers, suppliers again on that show. Absolutely promising. I think I have heard more promising news than maybe the last JEC shows before. And the reason clearly is that everyone now needs to cope with the challenges coming out of the pandemic again, right? The industry, the demand is going up, and now supply issues arise, but on the other hand, we have a significant demand increase in aerospace, but also other businesses. And I think this is definitely also fueling that situation. Coming out of the crisis is usually always a very steep incline where it's important to have reliable partners, reliable supply, and we are very happy to contribute and to help our customers there.